Hi guys, welcome to Websense Pro. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are selling a lot of stuff via your Shopify store. Again, a Shopify related video, and this video is related to improving SEO using an AI powered tool. So if you create a store and you don't market it, you don't do any SEO on your store, it's not gonna sell anything. So it's basically a shop, and this shop is unknown by anyone. So you have to make it search friendly, so it's indexable in Google, it's coming up on top on keywords, on your product keywords. And in order to improve search engine optimization of your store, there is an app which I am going to review today, which is going to automate your product content writing, your blog content writing, basically any part of your store content writing automation is going to be very easily done using this app. So the app which I am reviewing today is MagicAI ChatGPT AI content, and it's built for Shopify, meaning it meets Shopify's high quality standard for speed, ease of use, and also merchant value. So make sure to try that out. Link will be in the description. You can use it for free, and if you think that it's giving you fruitful results, you can move on to the paid tier. These are the paid tiers. So you can see you can create 100 free content creation credit per month. You can generate product description and titles. You can generate collection description, blog posts, and you can refine other parts of the store using this AI powered content writer, right? And here is the screenshot of how it's going to look like. You can see that we can simply generate by clicking on regenerate, and it's going to automatically rewrite the SEO friendly title. It's not just the content creating tool, it's a content creation tool which enhances your SEO, which improves the SEO of your store, right? Here you can see we can write multiple descriptions and title by selecting multiple products at once. And similarly, we can add in custom prompts and tell ChatGPT, basically it's connected with ChatGPT on the backend to generate and refine content of your store, right? And here is the option to create blog posts. Now let's try this app and see how it functions on the backend. I have already installed that on my development store, and I'm going to show you guys how you can generate some content based on for your blogs, for your products and description, for collections, etc. So let's go to the backend of the store, and here's the app. You can see I have already installed that. And now let's go to products. So I'm going to click on products, and let's say we take this product, and now that's the current title of the product. And now I'm just going to click on generate, and it's basically didn't change much, but it's based on SEO, and there is a limit of number of characters. So it's also considering that limit, because we cannot have a huge title, it's not going to show. So if you search something on Google, let's say t-shirt, white sweat t-shirt, so you can see all of this title, it cannot go off limit. It has a limit of number of characters. It's around 50 to 55 characters and about 70 to 80 pixel. I'm not sure about the pixel, but I'm sure about the number of characters. It's not supposed to exceed the number of characters, which is 50 to 55, right? So it's considering that, and it rewrite the title of the product. And here we have the current description. We can simply click on generate to create a completely new description, or we can click on refine current, and it's going to refine our current description of the product. Cool. And similarly, we can do this with the custom prompt. So we can add in the prompts, add in detail about the type of description which we are looking to add on this product. We can do that. And here is the SEO title. So click on generate, and it's going to generate an SEO based title. And here we go. You can see that it added the keyword in starting of the product. which is premium leather case, no one would search for our store. Basically, they'll be searching via keyword, and that's what it added in starting of the product title, which is really SEO friendly, right? And here we're gonna regenerate the description of the product as well. So let's click on generate to see what we comes up with. And here you go. Now you can see that it automatically reduced the number of characters. Again, there is a limit on number of characters on how much characters and words you can add on meta title and meta description. And it just added that for improving the product description, right? And now let's take a look at the blogs. Okay, here are some of the blog posts. If I go to this category, bestseller category, I have this blog post created. And now you can see it's similar to the product description. We can simply click on generate. And it's going to basically add an SEO friendly title for this blog post. Okay, it has added a lot of content. So this is content, not the title, sorry. So you can simply generate the content. You can see that bestsellers of the year, topics across. It added all of the content. Again, we can regenerate it with a custom prompt if you think that it's not relevant to yours. And here we have the option to generate the image as well. So all you have to do is just click on generate, and it's going to generate image based on the content which you have added. Okay, you can see that it has added this cool looking image which looks pretty realistic, and the characters are also fine. And now let's move on to the collection. So that's the only connection which I have, and here we can generate the description. Simply click on generate to add the SEO title, SEO description, and the description of that collection. And now if we go to settings, here we have some settings. That this one is for preview, that do you want to have a preview before publishing? If you do that, yes, it's gonna preview it first before publishing. Okay, it's going to add an images to generate content, and here you can add the select the model. So it's basically using GPT-4o mini, which is the latest and most capable model of ChatGPT, OpenAI. And here you can add in the language, which language you want to write the content in, length, tone, exclude title, and this is the temperature. So if you want the randomness to be higher, you can increase the value. And if you want to make it more precise and more predictable, you can decrease the temperature, right? Okay guys, now let's try creating our own custom template to give more context to what we need in terms of getting the description, right? So let's click on add new prompt. And here I'm going to name it teenagers, because I want to create a product description which is focused on teenagers, right? And the context should be selected as product because we are generating product description. We also have the option to select collection and article. Okay, now let's click on create button. And here we have these global input and item description. Now, global input pulls all of the information related to product like category, type, colors, all of that info. And item description is the core description of that product. So if you want to include that on your prompt, you can do that. We already have global input to add in the information which is relevant to category and product type. Now, I'm going to add in some more text here to give it more context of what we need to generate. Here you can see that I have told the system that create a product description aimed at teenagers and explain how this product improve their style and solve their problem, right? And then we have this mention that what are the features, key features, benefit, and given the structure of how we want it. Cool. Now let's click on save and try to create the description using this prompt. So click on products. And here I'm going to go to this product. And now let's click on generate with custom prompt. And from product template, I'm going to click on teenagers, which is the template which we have created. Perfect. We have our prompt showing up here. And I'm just going to click on generate. And here we go. we have our description ready, which is focused and emphasized on teenagers, right? Cool. So that's how we can use custom template to generate product description, which has context given by our instructions. Here's a custom prompt. Cool. And if you want any kind of support, or if you have any confusion applying this app to your store, you can simply contact the support. Make sure to contact them if you have any confusion, and make sure to test this out. It's available for free if you want to generate 100 credits a month, right? So definitely do try that out. Link will be in the description. That's it for the video. Let me know if you want me to review any specific app. Leave the app link in the comment and I'm definitely going to review that for you. Until next video, have a great day.